The average driver, spends about $800 on new tires every few years, and honestly, a lot of that money just goes to waste. It's not really because of bad luck, it's actually because of a few simple mistakes most drivers make every single day. I've tested tires across every category, all-season, winter, all-terrain, budget, and premium, using data from Tire Rack, Motor Trend, and real owner reviews. The pattern is, well, pretty clear. Most tire problems come from bad choices, not bad tires. Here are the 5 mistakes, ranked from bad to dangerous. Mistake number 5. Buying the cheapest tire. Not all budget tires are bad, some are actually an excellent value, but there is a big difference between making a smart buy and just grabbing the lowest price. Tire Rack's dry braking tests show stopping distance gaps of up to 20 feet between cheap and mid-range tires at 60 miles per hour. That's a full car length at highway speed, and honestly, wet road performance can be even worse. What you'd regret, saving a little money now, then replacing tires sooner, and risking a longer stop when it really matters. Mistake number 4. Driving on worn-out tires. A lot of drivers are familiar with the penny test, but honestly, very few actually take the time to check their tires. When your tread depth gets down to 2/32 of an inch, your wet stopping distance can almost double compared to brand new tires. And once that tread is basically gone, water can't be pushed away from the contact patch anymore, which really increases your risk of hydroplaning and losing control. What you'd regret most? A tire that looked perfectly fine, right up until that first heavy rain. Mistake number 3. Mixing brands, models, or sizes. This might seem harmless, but honestly, it is not. Different tires grip and flex in their own unique ways on an all-wheel drive vehicle that can lead to uneven torque distribution, unpredictable handling, and, even drivetrain damage. Some manufacturers might even deny warranty claims if your tires aren't closely matched. What you'd regret: a car that feels totally normal in daily driving but then reacts unpredictably in an emergency. Mistake number 2. Using the wrong tires for the season. Summer tires are really designed to work above about 45 degrees Fahrenheit. When it gets colder than that, the rubber hardens and your grip drops off fast. Tests from TireRack.com show that summer tires on snow can take nearly twice the stopping distance of winter tires. Same car, same driver, same road, but, very different results. What you'd regret: a tire that's perfect in July and, well, dangerous in January. Mistake number 1. Softer studi. Mistaken fides. Wrong tire pressure. This is the silent killer. There's no obvious warning, but low pressure builds heat, and heat is a major cause of tire failure. Just 6 psi below the recommended level can raise heat buildup by up to 25%. Too much pressure is bad, too, because it reduces the contact patch and grip. The correct pressure is not the number on the sidewall, it's actually on the sticker inside the driver's door jamb. Check it cold, first thing in the morning, at least once a month. What you'd regret: a blowout at highway speed from a tire that never looked unsafe. Final takeaway: all 5 mistakes are totally avoidable. Most cost nothing to fix except, well, just a little attention. Now you know what to watch for, so which one are you guilty of?